Okay, what do you do when the account you struggle to build for some months got hacked? What will be your reaction? What will be your pain? What will be your cry? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Unstoppable Isaac. Okay, this is a story that just happened to me this morning. I was being asked by one of the scammers. Actually, I'll be talking about the reasons why your account is being hacked, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the first reason why your account is being hacked is because number one, you've not turned on the two-factor authentication on your Google, and actually, the last point we keep you speechless. Okay, so now the first thing is turning on your two-factor authentication on your Google and then on your YouTube account. Then another thing is not having a proper guide, like not having a mentor. Ladies and gentlemen, a mentor, a leader, someone who oversees you. You understand? So if you're just coming to YouTube and then you're just doing it without a knowledge of someone guiding, someone leading, someone helping, that would actually result to a disaster. Okay. Now, the first one is two-factor authentication. The second one is mentorship. Then another thing is this: um, your email. Do not at your description bar or at your description box in your on your YouTube. Do not attach your email to your description. Ladies and gentlemen, do not attach your email to your description. Okay, there's actually a way whichever brand or whoever brand is coming to meet you for a brand day, there's a way they can do it, and then they can reach out to you via your email. But do not disclose your email, the vital information that you know can actually result to hacking of your account, ladies and gentlemen. So that is the three steps. Now, another step is this: whatever account you're building or whatever YouTube account you're building, ladies and gentlemen, do not disclose it to anyone. Build in silence. Yes, build in silence. Fine, I get you're excited. You want to discuss it with people. You want to let them know that, oh, this is it. This is how I've been growing. This is the latest update and all. But the truth is, not everybody is happy with you. Not everybody is happy with your progress. Not everybody is happy with the way you are building something residual or something passive. So just keep it to yourself. Do not disclose it with anyone, ladies and gentlemen. Then another thing I want us to talk about is this: do not disclose, do not show your account, or do not hand your device, be it your laptop or your phone, to anybody. Yes, these are security conscious steps. So, in order to be security conscious as regards your account, for your account not to be hacked, just so those steps must be taken with all due diligence. Okay. Now, do not hand over your phone, your laptop to anyone. The reason is that okay, handing over your phone to someone and then the person is pressing your phone and the person is going through your details, the person can easily get some vital information about you and about your device, and then the person might just go ahead and then just change everything about what you've been doing. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the account I've been building for the past months, and I was able to build it to 61,000 subscriber. And though I'm using shorts, not yet monetized, but my watch hour is over 13,000, and my views is getting to over 10 million. Could get My view is almost 3 million, and I'm heading to 10 million. Ladies and gentlemen, this can be painful when you when you've hustled, when you've you've spent and you've been spent. Like you've spent on data, you spend on making videos, you've put in effort and all it resulted to is being hacked. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing this video not just to not just to do it for doing sake. I'm doing this to actually help those that are coming. Fine, I've been victimized as regards losing my YouTube channel, Unstoppable Isaac. But the thing is, the thing is this: we can't choose to give up now. Okay, fine. Things life happens, things happen, shit happen. You understand? But the thing is, we keep going, we keep pushing, we keep hitting our mark always in order to get to that desired point. So if you're a new YouTuber and then probably you've not gotten any subscriber, you've not been seeing any results, you've not been seeing anything tangible as regards your YouTube, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to know this. It's I don't want you to give up now. Okay, so giving up now means you don't want to try again. You know, just keep trying, okay? Keep pushing, keep being consistent, keep posting, keep doing it, keep showing up. Yes, keep showing up. When you're showing up, always, always, it might not happen the first day, might not happen the second day. In fact, it might not happen the first week, second week, third week. But trust me, in no time, YouTube algorithm gets to notice. In fact, as a matter of fact, the very first day you posted, YouTube algorithm already know who you are. You understand? So they are looking for your consistency and for your push always. And whenever you're able to break that mark, trust me, the sky will no longer be your limit. It's definitely gonna be a stepping stone. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So I want us all, like I said, security consciousness is one of the key that actually helps your YouTube, that helps every of your social media platform, not even social media platform, again, your life. Yes, that makes it count. So when you are security conscious and you've put on the necessary security steps on your Gmail, on your YouTube, on your Facebook, on your TikTok, on your Instagram, any account, any social media account, make sure your security is strong and make sure not to disclose vital information to someone who um, who might be requesting for it. Okay, and then a mentorship, like I said earlier on, mentorship is the key. Get someone to mentor you, get someone to put you through, get someone to lead you in this journey, even if it will cost you money. Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, no matter the amount of money you're paying, definitely you're gonna is gonna worth it. Okay, it's gonna worth your time, it's gonna worth your life, it's gonna worth your passion and your dream. So like what I'm saying, just put in all the necessary things you need to put in. Okay, so in our next video I'll be giving us some tips on how we can secure our Google and how we can actually secure our YouTube account perfectly by putting on those authentications. Okay, so see you in our next video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys.